Yeah, hi. In this session, we will learn about the security group. First, we'll look overview, then we'll do the hands-on. So first, the security group are the fundamental of network security in AWS cloud, and the security groups, the acting as a firewall. So they control the traffic. Okay, how it's allowed traffic from outside to EC2 instance, which is called the inward rules, and or the EC2 instance to outside. Okay, which is called the outward rules. So security group only contains the allow rules, and security group rules can be referenced by the IP or sorry, by other security group. So one security group can be attached to multiple EC2 instance. By default, inward rules are blocked by firewall, and outward rules by default allowed by traffic. Okay, let's uh, launch the instance here. By click on the security, okay, we can get some idea of security group, like which security group is attached to this instance. Here you can see the launch wizard one. Okay, and we can see the inward and outward rules. Okay, uh, and let's open the security group dashboard. Just scroll down to the network and security, click on security group. Here you can see, okay, there are three security groups. First one is the default, which is already created, okay, by AWS, and first and second I created when I launched my ES2 instance. So as I showed you, okay, in my instance, the security group is launch wizard one. Let's see once more. Here you can see this security group is launch wizard one only. Okay, so let's go to the security group. Here you can see a few tabs. So in details we can see the security group ID. Okay, it's security group also has an ID, like an instance has an ID. Okay, just click on inbound rules. So inbound rules are basically the rules which allow the connectivity from outside to EC2 instance. Here you can see we have two inbound rules of type HTTP and SSH. Let's click on edit inbound rules to look better. So here you can see first one is the HTTP, type HTTP and port 80, and from anywhere. From anywhere means 0.0.0.0. So it's like an anywhere. So second one is type of SSH, okay, with port 22 and from anywhere. So you can see here this port 80. Basically it's allow uh, access the web server. So let's go to the EC2 dashboard. From here, just click on the instance and click on details. Here you can see this IPv4 address. Okay, just open it. It's an HTTP. Okay, it's kind of HTTP URL. So you can see this output. Okay, let's go back to the security group. Uh, let's click on edit inbound rule. Okay, what we can do, we can add the rules or we can delete the rules. Okay, let's delete this rule. Then we'll see, okay, we will get the output or not. So just click on it, delete, and then save. Okay, okay, now click on this edit inbound rules just to confirm it. Yeah, now we have one rule. Okay, let's click on this, just refresh it. You will see it will keep on loading. Okay, that means it's trying to make the connectivity with the EC2 instance, but it can't make because we don't have the inbound rules here. So what we will do, we will add the rules. Okay, HTTP rule here, it's HTTP. Okay, by default port is 80. From here just click on anywhere IPv4. So so if we are trying to access from SSH also, and we are get if we get the timeout, okay, that means there's an issue with the uh, security group only. Okay, so we have to confirm, okay, like what's wrong with the security group, and we have to make the correction. So just attach this, okay, then save the rules. That's it. Once we save it, okay, you can see it now. It's able to make the connectivity. Okay, and we can see the output here. Okay, as soon as we attach the rules, immediately it's applied to the instance. Okay, we can add rule from here. Suppose you want to add one more rule, like HTTPS, okay, 443. You can uh, define your IP here and the custom IP, or you can select anywhere, anyone, like my IP you can also select. Okay, let's delete this. Okay, if you click on the save rule, you can see you have not made any changes. That means it won't add anything. So yeah, uh, now come to the security group. Okay, and let's click on outbound rules. Okay, outbound rules are rules basically, it's allow the connectivity from EC2 instance to outward, outside. Okay, it's by defaults all traffic are allowed. Okay, so one thing, like we can attach, okay, any number of security group to the instance. Okay, and one security group also can be attached to the more than one EC2 instances. That's it for this video. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.